Hello dear student of class 8. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir. Dear student, today we are going to revise the topic powers and functions of the president. You know, in previous period we learned about the qualifications of the office of president, impeachment and election procedure of the president. Now, today we are going to learn about the functions of the president. Dear student, the president of India has executive, legislative, judicial, financial and emergency power. Here, some powers. See, executive powers. Executive powers. Being the head of the Union Executive, all the administrative decisions are taken in his name. President makes all the important appointments, including choice of Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Governors, Chief Justice, and judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court. He also selects the Attorney General of India and Auditor General of India. The President has also appoints the members of Election Commission, Finance Commission, President Supreme Commander of Defense Forces. He has a right to be kept informed about the all decision of the Council of Ministers through the Prime Minister. So these are the executive powers of President. Now, the military powers, Supreme Commander of Defense Forces and declare the war of peace, treaties and contracts. Now the legislative power. Legislative power. The President is an integral part of the Indian Parliament. The President can summon, prorogue and address to houses of the Parliament. Every year the first session of the Parliament begins with his address. He can dissolve the Lok Sabha before the expiry of its normal term. If he is advised to do so by the Prime Minister, no bill passed by both the houses of the Parliament becomes law without his consent. Prior approval of the President is essential before a money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha. This is the best power of the President of India. 12 members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President from among the distinguished persons in the field of art, science, literature, social science, sport, and many more. He can also nominate 2 Anglo-Indians to Lok Sabha if the community is not adequately represented. So, dear students, these are the legislative powers of the President. Here, the financial power. The annual budget of the country is presented in the Parliament in the name of the President. Similarly, all money bills also require his approval before they are introduced in Lok Sabha. President has the power to appoint member of the Finance Commission in case certain extraordinary situation arise. The President can sanction money to the government out of the contingency fund to meet the situation. Next is judicial functions. All the judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts, including their Chief Justice, are appointed by the President. On appeal for mercy, the President has the power to reduce the sentence or grant pardon or amnesty. President can change the death sentence or can postpone it also. So this is judicial function of President. Now last one is emergency power. In a case of extraordinary situations in the country or in one or more state, the president has been entrusted with certain emergency power. This can happen in three situations. First one is national emergency. First one is national emergency. If the security of the country is threatened by war or external aggression or internal armed rebellion, the president can declare a state of emergency for the whole country. Second one is breakdown of constitutional machinery in the state. If the government of a state is not being run accordance with the constitution, the president can declare emergency in that state. It is also called imposition of president's rule in the state. And last one is financial emergency. When the financial stability of the country is threatened, the president can declare a state of financial emergency. Dear student, the emergency power of the president are not absolute. He can declare a state of emergency only on the written advice of the Council of Ministers. Although the positions of the President of India is just nominal, the Constitution recognizes his position as one of the authority and prestige. So dear student, here all of the functions of powers and functions of the President: executive power, legislative power, financial power, judicial power and emergency power. These are the powers of the president. See the role of the president. He is the head of the state, chief diplomat, chief legislator, commander-in-chief and chief executive. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Here some assignment question of today's topic. You should write these questions in your notebook with its answer. So dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. Thank you for watching this online video. Thank you for making me a part of your day. Have a nice day ahead. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you for today and have a nice day ahead.